Welcome to Story Time. Today we will learn about patience and appreciation. The journey lead to greater rewards than rushing to the finish. We should enjoy every step. The story is about father explaining this moral to his son. Once, a father and son decided to hike up a nearby mountain. As they started, the son, filled with excitement, rushed ahead, eager to reach the top. As both started, after some time, son grew tired and frustrated, looking back at his father, who was calmly keeping pace and enjoyed his hike with smiling face. Seeing his father coming slowly, son asked, "Father, why are you so slow?" but smiling and enjoying your walk. Father said with smile to his son, "Look around," he said. "Each moment is a treasure." Confused, the son continued, but he couldn't shake his impatience. Halfway up, they paused to take in the view. The father pointed out the beauty of the forest, the birds singing and the flowers blooming. He asked his son to touch, feel, and enjoy it. The father smiled and replied, "The journey is just as important as the destination. Let's enjoy every step." He explained why it's so important to enjoy things around us and appreciate it. Rejuvenated, the son began to appreciate the journey. They shared stories, laughter, and learned from nature. Finally, they reached the summit together. As they stood there, the son realized the truth in his father's words. "I understand now," he said. "It's not just about getting to the top, it's about experiencing everything along the way."